Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove invisible filter in TikTok. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up TikTok apps in your phone. Now search invisible filter body in search option. Here you can see many videos in here uploaded by many people. Among them, you have to select one video that used invisible filter. So just like we have selected this video, now we have to do one thing. We have to download this video from TikTok. After downloading, go back and open up CapCut apps. Now upload the video in CapCut, and this time you have to do just one thing. You have to adjust this video. So click on adjust. In adjust, you are seeing that there are many options like brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, and many more things. You have to adjust this video by these tools, such as I am decreasing or increasing brightness, color, saturation, contrast, exposure, sharpener. After doing all of this adjustment, you will be able to remove invisible filter from TikTok. So this is the way how you can remove invisible filter in TikTok. Thanks for watching this video.